Hey guys, greetings to all and welcome to the first ever video of our channel Doctors. So in today's video, we will be learning some amazing tricks to memorize the most important elements in the periodic table. So without wasting much time, let us move on to our tricks. So what we have here is the modern periodic table. It consists of some horizontal rows and some vertical columns. These horizontal rows are called periods and these vertical columns are called groups. Now we have 7 periods and 18 groups and 4 blocks named as S, P, D and F. The one on the extreme left is the S block, the one on the extreme right is the P block, in the middle we have the D block and at the bottom we have the F block. Let us begin with the S block. The S block consists of 2 groups called group 1 and group 2, also called as group 1A and 2A. So the elements of group 1 are H, which stands for hydrogen, Li, which stands for lithium, Na, which stands for sodium, K for potassium, Rb for rubidium, Cs for cesium and Fr for francium. So our trick for group number 1 is Halina ki rab se faryad, in which H stands for hydrogen, Li in Lina stands for lithium, Na in Lina stands for sodium, K in Ki stands for potassium, Rb in Rub stands for rubidium, Cs in Se stands for cesium and Fr in Faryad stands for francium. Let us recall the trick. The trick was Halina ki rab se faryad. H for hydrogen, Lina for lithium and sodium, Ki for potassium, Rb for rubidium, Se for cesium and Faryad for francium. Let us now move to the second group of the S block. The elements in group 2 are Be, which stands for beryllium, Mg for magnesium, Ca for calcium, Sr for strontium, Ba for barium and Ra for radium. The trick for group 2 is Beta mange car scooter baap razi. Now Be in beta stands for beryllium, Mg in mange stands for magnesium, Ca in car stands for calcium, Sr in scooter stands for strontium, Ba in baap stands for barium and Ra in razi stands for radium. Let us recall the trick. It was beta mange car scooter baap razi. Beta, which means beryllium, mange, which means magnesium, car, which means calcium, scooter for strontium, baap for barium and razi for radium. I hope you are clear with the tricks of the S block. So let us move to the P block. The P block consists of 6 groups from group number 13 to group number 18. Let us start with the first group of the P block called the group number 13, commonly called the boron family. The elements in the boron family are B, which stands for boron, Al for aluminium, Ga for gallium, In for indium and Tl for thallium. The trick for boron family is Baba Ali Gaye in Thailand, in which B in Baba stands for boron, Al in Ali stands for aluminium, Ga in Gaye stands for gallium, In stands for indium and Tl in Thailand stands for thallium. Let us recall the trick. It was Baba Ali Gaye in Thailand, which means boron, Ali for aluminium, Gaye for gallium, In for indium and Thailand for thallium. Moving to the second group of the P block, which is group 14, also called the carbon family. The elements in the carbon family are C, which stands for carbon, Si for silicon, Ge for germanium, Sn for tin and Pb for lead. So the trick for the carbon family is Chemistry sir gives sun ki problems, in which C in chemistry stands for carbon, Si in sir stands for silicon, Ge in gives stands for germanium, Sn in sun ki stands for tin and Pb in problems stands for lead. Let us recall the trick. It was Chemistry sir gives sun ki problems. Chemistry for carbon, sir for silicon, gives for germanium, sun ki for tin and problems for lead. Let us move to the third group of the p block, which is group 15, also called the nitrogen family. The elements of the nitrogen family are N, which stands for nitrogen, P for phosphorus, As for arsenic, Sb for antimony, and Bi for bismuth. So the trick for the nitrogen family is ना पी ऐसे सबके बीच, in which N in Na stands for nitrogen, P in Pe stands for phosphorus, As in Sa stands for arsenic, Sb in Sub stands for antimony, and Bi in Beach stands for bismuth. Let us recall the trick. It was ना पी ऐसे सबके बीच. Na for nitrogen, Pe for phosphorus, Sa for arsenic, Sub for antimony, and Beach for bismuth. Coming to the fourth group of p block, which is group 16, also called the oxygen family. Now the elements in the oxygen family are O, which stands for oxygen, S for sulfur, Se for selenium, Te for tellurium, and Po for polonium. Now the trick for the oxygen family is OA style se tipo, in which O in OA stands for oxygen, S in style stands for sulfur, Se stands for selenium, Te in Te stands for tellurium, and Po in Po stands for polonium. Let us recall the trick. It was OA style se tipo. OA for oxygen, style for sulfur, Se for selenium, T for tellurium, and Po for polonium. Now coming to the fifth group of p block, which is group 17, also known as halogens. So the element of group 17 are F, which stands for fluorine, Cl for chlorine, Br for bromine, I for iodine, and At for astatine. So the trick for group 17 is first class biryani in atta. F in first stands for fluorine, Cl in class stands for chlorine, Br in biryani stands for bromine, In in stands for iodine, At in atta stands for astatine. Let us recall the trick. It was first class biryani in atta. First for fluorine, class for chlorine, biryani for bromine, in for iodine, and atta for astatine. Finally coming to the sixth group of p block, which is group 18, also called as the zero group or noble gases. The elements in group 18 are He, which stands for helium, Ne for neon, Ar for argon, Kr for krypton, Xe for xenon, and Rn for radon. So the trick for group 18 is Hina Nina or Karina Xerox ki Rania, in which He in Hina stands for helium, Ne in Nina stands for neon, Ar in Or stands for argon, Kr in Karina stands for krypton, Xe in Xerox stands for xenon, and Rn in Rania stands for radon. Let us recall the trick again. It was Hina Nina or Karina Xerox ki Rania. Hina for helium, Nina for neon, Or for argon, Karina for krypton, Xerox for xenon, and Rania for radon. Now let's begin with the D block, starting with the 3D series of the D block. So the elements of the 3D series are Sc, which stands for scandium, Ti for titanium, V for vanadium, Cr for chromium, Mn for manganese, Fe for iron, Co for cobalt, Ni for nickel, Cu for copper, and Zn for zinc. So the trick for the 3D series of D block is school time will create many friends common Nico Z, in which Sc in school stands for scandium, Ti in time stands for titanium, V in will stands for vanadium, Cr in create stands for chromium, Mn in many stands for manganese, Fe in friends stands for iron, Co in common stands for cobalt, and Ni for nickel, Cu for copper, and Zn for zinc. Let us recall the trick. It was school time will create many friends common Nikuzi. School for scandium, time for titanium, will for vanadium, create for chromium, many for manganese, friends for iron, common for cobalt, Ni for nickel, Cu for copper, and Z for zinc. Let's now move on to the F block. Let's begin with lanthanoids. So the elements of lanthanoids are La, which stands for lanthanum, Ce, which stands for cerium, Pr, which stands for praseodymium, Nd, which stands for neodymium, Pm, which stands for promethium, Sm for samarium, Eu for europium, Gd for gadolinium, Tb for terbium, Dy for dysprosium, Ho for holmium, Er for erbium, Tm for thulium, Yb for ytterbium, and Lu for lutetium. So the trick for lanthanoids is, let's say Pramila, not Pamela, smile European god, to be die, holy Easter tomorrow, Yb lucida, in which La in lats stands for lanthanum, Ce in Se stands for cerium, Pr in Pramila stands for praseodymium, Nd in Nod stands for neodymium, Pm in Pamela stands for promethium, Sm in smile stands for samarium, Eu in europium stands for europium, Gd in god stands for gadolinium, Tb in 2b stands for terbium, and Dy in di stands for dysprosium. Ho in holy stands for holmium, Er in Easter stands for erbium, Tm in tomorrow stands for thulium, Yb in Yb stands for ytterbium, and Lu in lucida stands for lutetium. Let us recall the trick. It was, let's say Pramila, not Pamela, smile European god, to be die, holy Easter tomorrow, Yb lucida. Lats for lanthanum, Se for cerium, Pramila for praseodymium, Nod for neodymium, Pamela for promethium, smile for samarium, European for europium, god for gadolinium, 2b for terbium, di for dysprosium, holy for holmium, Easter for erbium, tomorrow for thulium, Yb for ytterbium, and lucida for lutetium. Before ending the video, let us recall all the tricks again. So the trick for S block was Halina ki rab se faryad, which means hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. For group number 2 of S block was Beta mange car scooter baap razi, which means beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. Moving to P block, beginning with the boron family, our trick was Baba Ali gaye in Thailand, which means boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, and thallium. Moving to the carbon family, it was chemistry sir gives sentence, which means carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, and lead. Moving to the nitrogen family, we had ना भी ऐसे सबके बीच, which means nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, and bismuth. Moving to the oxygen family, we had ओए style से टीपो, which means oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and polonium. Moving to the group 17, which is also known as halogens, and we had first class biryani in atta, which means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. Moving to the last group of P block, which was the zero group, also called group 18, we had Hina Nina or Carina Xerox Kirania, which means helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. Moving to the D block 3D series, our trick was school time will create many friends common Nikuzi, which means scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, and zinc. Now moving to lanthanoids, our trick was let's say Pramila, not Pamela, smile European god, to be die, holy Easter tomorrow, why be lucida, which means lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, diasporium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, and lutetium. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any notification. But before that, make sure you've joined our Telegram channel. For all those who don't know about Telegram, you can go to the Play Store, search Telegram and download the app with this icon. There you can directly search the name of our channel or click the invite link which is there in the description box. On Telegram, I post the notes of each class in PDF format, so you can either download the periodic table that I have made or you can make your own periodic table. बस एक periodic table बना के अपने study table के सामने वाले wall पे चिपका दो and read it twice, once before you sit to study and once after you finish studying. Do this for 20 days, and on the 21st day all these tricks will be on your fingertips. And wait, don't go, because there is a song coming up for you. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and keep studying.